Now what the fuck is that? Is that one verify? Actually, I don't know why I'm doing that video. I do that video because I noticed the most people in my Instagram talking about this platform, myrealfollowers.com, and they say, oh my gosh, how is that fast? Provide real followers and it's cheap.
I got 10,000 followers.
Oh my god, girl, I feel you. You have no time to figure out the algorithm.
And I decided to make a video to show you exactly how is that working, and I just want to see my feedback. Okay, so right now I'm gonna Google it. That's what it's called. It's my real followers. Click on it. Okay, it's the first one. Click for the first option. What is it? Oh, let's rock it. Okay, so let me see. What is that? Okay, that is really nice. I'm gonna try to save Instagram followers. I see like we have 3 options: high quality, active followers, and exclusive VIP. What the fuck? How does that look amazing? What I can say, it's like a higher price a little, but I think it's deserved. I'm gonna choose this one. Active followers, high quality. Okay, me, I'm gonna choose 1,000 followers just to show you exactly how it's working. Okay, click buy now. What is that? Pass your account link here. My account. Okay, I will copy my link and get it back. I'm just wanna pass it here. My email address, quit. Yups. Okay, click for continue. Pay with magic, pay with credit. Okay, I'm gonna pay with credit card. I'm gonna click for it. Apple Pay, Google Pay, Discover. Wow, a lot of payment options. Okay, but I'm gonna pay with my Visa. I will choose this one. I'm gonna enter my name, Squid Jobs, and here my email, Squid. Then I will click for pay. I just wanna see. Okay. Yep. Okay, I receive email. Let me see the code. Okay, it's like 32766. I just want to click for validate. That's in French. Okay, click validate. Here we go. As you can see, the payment has been completed.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, guys, the followers coming right now. What the fuck is that? Is that one verified? What the fuck? Who's that? There is one with the... Okay. Let me try. That one, what is selling? Who's this person? But its pulse is only 3 hours. This one is a real person. This one is a real person. Let me see what is... It's 1 hour. What the fuck? That is really nice. Who's that? Let me try. What are you doing? Click on it. Okay. That is really nice. Okay. I'm gonna try this one. This one, what is selling? Is that a boat? What is that? That one's selling boats. It's 23 hours has been posted this rail. What the fuck? As you can see, these followers are always looking well. What the fuck? Bro, I'm sorry. Bro, I'm sorry, but this one is really deserved. Trust me.